So when they get to this point with this Archon, this handler, and they're trying to convince you, this push-pull here, they're trying to lie to you. Why do they need your, how to say it, you to comply? They need
Right.
you to be able to seem to choose to go back in. They can't force you. So that would imply you had the power. Why do they need you to choose it, even though they're manipulating you to do so?
Seem to choose is a great choice of words, right? Because they're going to run you in circles with different suggestions until they find the weak spot. And when you hesitate a little bit, like, yeah, maybe, boom, you're back in the body, you're back. That's like, all right, you signed that contract again. But my understanding is that it's all about, well, it's kind of a bit of a sad perspective, but Earth is like a farm. We are providing the vital energy that I believe Robert Monroe called LOOSH. LOOSH is an energy that the human beings generate when in suffering. So there is paying your karma. You have to suffer, which makes you produce more LOOSH, which supports the beings who sustain themselves off of that energy.